Welcome to this tutorial video for the PrestaShop module EU Compliant Withdrawal Button. This module allows your customers to exercise their legal right of withdrawal easily and in full EU compliance, fully automated, multilingual, and directly integrated into your shop. In this video, we will first show you how the module works and then guide you step by step through the installation and configuration. The EU Compliant Withdrawal Button module can be installed in two ways. The first option is via Modules and then Marketplace. Enter withdrawal or the corresponding term in your language in the search field. The module will then be displayed and can be installed or updated directly. Alternatively, you can install the module via Modules and then Module Manager. Click on Upload a Module in the top right corner and upload the previously downloaded zip file. After installation, you can configure the module via the settings. The best place to start configuring the module is the Basic Settings tab. Under the General Settings, first select the desired mode. The question mark icons provide short tooltip text with additional information. We recommend keeping the settings that we have pre-selected. At this point, we would like to expressly point out that we are not allowed to provide legal advice and cannot do so. If you have legal questions, please contact your online legal advisor or legal counsel. In the Mode section, you can select the manual review option recommended by us. With this setting, all withdrawal requests are initially accepted. You then decide in the back office whether the request should be approved or rejected. Alternatively, you can configure an automatic withdrawal deadline check based on a defined number of days plus delivery time. There are two variants for this. The less strict variant only adds a notice when the withdrawal request is submitted and in the withdrawal request email stating that the withdrawal period may already have expired. The second variant should only be activated at your own risk. In this case, the withdrawal request is still submitted, but it is automatically rejected if the deadline has expired. You can configure the order assignment in the Order Assignment Details section. Three selection options are available here, as well as a legacy variant for older installations. However, this legacy variant is no longer recommended. As recommended by us, you can ask for the first name, last name, and order number. Alternatively, you can use first name, last name, and order ID, or first name, last name, and either order ID or order number. There are two variants for calculating the deadline. The 14-day withdrawal period, or the number of days you have entered, is either calculated from the date of the order plus delivery time, or probably more favorably from the date on which the order status is set to shipped or to a comparable status. For the optional trigger statuses for the shipping method, select the relevant statuses such as shipping. From this point on, the withdrawal period, normally 14 days plus the estimated delivery time in days entered by you, will be calculated. In the additional admin email notifications field, you can, for example, enter case handlers directly if they do not have an admin email address in the online shop. We also recommend keeping the mail fallback enabled. This function can help in the event of possible server-side problems with email delivery. In the Form and Item Selection tab, you can add a comment field to the withdrawal form. This field is intended for optional notes. After successful verification of the customer data, selectable items from the order can be displayed depending on the configuration instead of using manual item fields. Using the item fields, you can automatically exclude products or categories from withdrawal by search, product ID, category ID, or by selecting categories. Products can also be excluded using the PrestaShop customization attribute. This is particularly relevant if you sell individual or personalized products, one-of-a-kind items, or similar products. In the customer experience section, the first three options under withdrawal action display allow you to define where the withdrawal button should appear. We recommend displaying it as a footer button. Using the custom hook, display order, withdrawal CTA, you can also place the button anywhere you like in your theme. You can customize the label of the withdrawal button in each installed language. You can also choose whether the footer display should appear as a button or as a simple text link. The button color, button text color, button size, and alignment can also be adjusted. Bootstrap button classes in the footer are supported, as are different footer hook positions, depending on the respective PrestaShop version. In the Privacy and Withdrawal Settings tab, you can select the corresponding CMS page under the privacy settings and enter the appropriate privacy notice text. Please note that the text provided by us do not guarantee a legally 100% correct implementation. Ideally, you should have the content generated by a privacy policy or withdrawal policy generator or coordinate it with your lawyer. The same applies to the withdrawal policy settings. You can select the corresponding CMS page and enter the appropriate text. The texts are displayed at the end of the respective pages. In the Withdrawal Decision Emails tab, you can enter the content text for the withdrawal approval or withdrawal rejection in the respective language. In the Mail Preview tab, you can view all 4 templates in the respective language: the withdrawal request for customers, the withdrawal request for the administrator, the approved withdrawal request, and the rejected withdrawal request. You will find the documentation provided by us in the respective language. In the support section, you can conveniently send us a request using the email support button. Please include your order number, your back office URL, and a user account with password and admin rights. Do not forget to save the settings and then test the configuration. In your online shop, depending on the configuration, you will find the button for contract withdrawal in the footer area. After clicking the button, the withdrawal form opens. First name, last name, and order number are stored here as mandatory fields. In addition, an email address is requested for the confirmation of receipt of the withdrawal request. This email address does not have to match the email address from the order. The customer can withdraw from the entire order or from individual items and services. This can be done either using free fields such as item name, item number, and quantity, or depending on the configuration, by simply selecting the relevant positions in a list of order items. Withdrawal requests are always submitted, regardless of whether manual review or deadline checking is enabled. Only when deadline checking is enabled are there the 2 variants already described in the configuration. In the lighter variant, a notice field is displayed when the withdrawal request is submitted. A corresponding notice is also included in the email. In the stricter variant, which should only be activated at your own risk, a corresponding notice is also included in the email.